Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware is ready. Plug both monitors into power and attach cables to your PC. Make sure any adapters are connected. Once done, power on each display and wait for Windows to detect them. Open Settings quickly. Press Windows key +I to save time. Then go to System Display so you can see both screens shown as rectangles. This is where you begin arranging which monitor is primary and which will be extended. Now you act. Click Identify so Windows shows numbers on each screen, which matches your physical layout. Select the secondary monitor tile and choose Extend Desktop to this display under Multiple Displays. This tells Windows to treat it as extra workspace. Drag the monitor icons to align left/right or above /below so the mouse flows naturally. Make sure to set each display's scale and resolution. This prevents blurry apps and matches sizes. Save settings by clicking Apply to confirm the arrangement. Finish by choosing the primary display. Select the monitor you want taskbar and start on, then check Make this my main display. Test by dragging Windows across both screens. If movement is sudden, adjust monitor alignment or orientation. If the second monitor doesn't appear, update your graphics driver, try a different cable, or restart Windows and reopen display settings. One key tip: if colors or resolution differ, set each monitor's resolution and scale independently to ensure consistent visual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.